built in a way that it can extend the existing learning environments, for example the CLIX learning environment or the Moodle learning environment, and thereby being able to draw on existing infrastructures and complement them, providing then additional services to the teacher, the organization and the student.
So we didn't start by scratch building up a completely new system for our learners, but we took our old system, our old accepted well-known system in the festival world, the Virtual Academy, and opened it up by using role widgets.
The overall opportunity for role is to enhance existing learning management systems and virtual learning environments, so that they become more personalized, more flexible, more open and responsive.
It gives enormous potential for learning independent of an institutional, organizational learning management system. Which doesn't mean that the learning management system will lose their role, but their potential is enormously extended into the area of personal learning and also community-based learning.
So typically in the past with learning management systems, the people were stuck with resources and support from the institutions. And I think now we are following the trend of using the cloud as a big repository of openly accessible resources. And I think we made a huge contribution in showing how we can expand learning management systems.
The Role widget store, we offer about 100 widgets and also widget bundles, which are sets of learning tools to support some particular learning goals and purposes. These widgets and widget bundles can be added to personal learning environments.
You know apps, those things that you get on your phone or that you automatically use on your computer. That is what a widget is. They're as simple as that. All you have to do is download them and start using them.
First, we had a strong focus on developing educational widgets, and we collected a lot of interesting ones, and they are now available in the Role widget store. This is a place where the people can go, share resources with other people, and also get tools to integrate in their own environment.
Role is ready to react to changes when new technologies are emerging. They are easy to integrate into the whole framework due to the communication facilities between the individual Role widgets.
What Role has done in its widget view is help people to think about drawing together resources to achieve a specific learning task just for you, very adaptive. So responsive to you, adaptive to you.
The most successful results will be, I expect them on a short-term basis, in the domain of extensions of learning management systems, enabling them to address individual learner needs, giving them possibilities for direct feedback from the system, what the system sees about their learning activities, and giving them maybe some sort of guidance, if possible, on how to improve that learning a bit.
The widgets within the Role project are extremely flexible and actually blend with whatever system you're currently using.
Role was the first time we got a possibility to really customize our existing learning management system.
It gives the users, so learners, educators and companies, the possibility to create a very broad range of learning tools to assist their everyday learning needs.
So it's really well suited in particular for supporting lifelong learning beyond the borders of an institution.
The Role project has been absolutely excellent from my point of view in developing the lifelong learning agenda so that you can integrate education and learning within the workplace as part of your normal everyday life.
Role is essentially about enabling someone to become self-regulated, to become an independent learner by taking complete control over their learning process.
It's not only support for learning people, it's support as well for people who are teaching, and to have a better feedback by the other side.
And one of the lessons we learn in role is about the importance of not only supporting the students, because obviously they already access a lot of those resources, but also supporting the teachers, in collecting resources and sharing those resources with the students.
Trainers, teachers, students, researchers, they seem quite thrilled with the opportunity of building their own personal learning environment, of taking away their old tools and embedding them and using them actively for their learning in their institutional learning management systems.
Everyone can use these as well, so students can make tools for themselves, teachers can make tools, developers or companies can make tools, and in that way you can create a broad range of tools that is suitable for everybody's needs. So you can pick and choose what you need and leave out what you don't need.
To set it up on an existing platform.
All you need to do is go to the website and pick the widgets that you yourself want to use, put them together. It's web-based, anybody can do it.
And then one more thing, it really is that simple.